we're going to learn how to make your Scrappy rainbow felt ornament. And when you get your package, it'll be in this little bag, and you'll see pieces of felt in there, a little bottle that has some good smelling stuff in it, and then there will also be an instruction sheet inside. So the first thing you want to do is cut out the small rainbow. Oh man, it's really hard to show you on here. The small rainbow at the bottom of the page, and you want to cut out the whole thing. So leave that bottom piece in too. That's pretty important. And after you have that cut out, you should have a piece of jean fabric inside of your bag, and it might be a different color than this, but it'll be denim, so jean material like this. And what you want to do is take the back of it and lay your rainbow on it, and then trace it with something. So if you have a piece of chalk, that would be pretty handy, but you can use anything. This is a Sharpie that I'm going to use. Then it'll show up for sure on your jean material. If you use chalk, it's just really easy to wipe off, so you won't be able to see it later, which is kind of cool. So I'm just going to trace mine with a Sharpie, and then I'm going to cut my jean material out. So you'll cut out the whole rainbow shape on your jeans. And so you might need kind of sharp scissors for this. So if there's someone that can help you do this part, that'd be pretty great too. Okay, so I already have one cut out. It's just this little rainbow. And then the next thing you want to do is take your pattern and actually cut your pattern apart. So your pattern will be cut into all of the different pieces. So, you know, you'll have each piece. So this is the top part of the rainbow, and then the next part. So they'll be all individual, and this is also a little tedious. So if you need a hand with it, you could ask for some help, I'm sure. I bet you have a parent or guardian that could help you. So then make sure you save this little guy too, this bottom piece. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is take your felt pieces, and it's all of these different pieces, and you'll have to make some choices right now as to which ones you want to use for each piece of your rainbow. And your rainbow doesn't have to go in order if you don't want it to. You decide. The other thing you should have is a piece of string, and it might be a different color than this, but you're gonna glue your string to your jean material, and you're gonna do that before you start gluing your rainbow pieces on. So if you have some glue, you're gonna need that right now. So you just glue your, sorry I don't have a good angle for my camera, but I'll kind of show you what I'm doing after I get the glue on here. I'm just gonna put a couple dabs on, and I did mine so that this, the outside part of like jeans that you're wearing, the outside part would be on the back. So I put glue with my string on the front. And then what you're gonna do is after you make your selection, you wanna cut out each shape into whatever color you want it to be. So I just did blue first, even though I know that's not how a rainbow goes. And so then what I'm gonna do is just glue each of these pieces onto my jean material. And since I already have a little glue from my hanger, I'll start there. Then, you know, you decide how you want your rainbow to look. If you wanna put it in order or not in order, your choice. But you'll have to put a little bit of glue on each piece as you glue it on. See, this isn't the right order. And then you'll have one more piece. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. I forgot to cut out a really big piece. So anyway, you'd use your pattern and cut out the biggest piece too and put it on the top. So you should have 5 colors, and you'll have one piece of felt left that you didn't use. So whatever color you didn't use, you can use that color. You could cut a skinny little piece in your rainbow and add it in, or you could make a cloud if you wanted to make a cloud and glue it on the bottom of your rainbow, or maybe off to the side somewhere. So then your hanger should hold your felt piece, or your piece in place. If your glue isn't strong enough, you could use a needle and thread a needle through your rainbow when it's all done if your hanger falls out. Otherwise, you're done, and you're actually going to have some scraps, lots of scraps. You could probably make 2, honestly, if you didn't have a jean backing on it, or maybe you have some old jeans lying around that you could use. But then you'll have more pieces of felt left, and so what this is just a little garland that I made, and you can, if you have a needle and thread, you could string it and make something to put on your tree if you wanted to, or just hang in your room. And the other thing that's kind of cool is this bag that your project came in is a muslin bag, and so you could use this muslin bag to put something yummy in your bathtub. Like maybe if you wanted to take a bath with some milky oats, you could put oats in here and draw the drawstring really tight, and then you'd put it inside your bath with you, and you can kind of squeeze it a little bit while you're in your bathtub, and it will make your bathtub oaty and milky, and it's really good for your skin. Another thing that, what else was I going to tell you? Oh, and then the little bottle that you have, it'll have lavender and some sort of citrus smell in it, and they might vary a tiny bit, but it has a good dropper hole in the top, or an orifice, so nothing will come out too quickly when you flip it over. And once your rainbow's all dry, all the glue is dry, you can just use your bottle and drop a little bit on your rainbow, and it's kind of like an air freshener. So yeah, it'll make a dot, but it should evaporate eventually. Or you could put it on the back, on the jean part, if you don't want to see it on your rainbow part. So, okay, good luck! And you can message me if you have any questions.